The era of free WhatsApp, free Instagram, free Facebook is soon coming to an end. Why am I saying that? Meta just announced their Plus subscriptions for WhatsApp, for Instagram, and for their Facebook apps. Of course, you can continue to use the free versions of the apps, but for approximately 300 to 400 rupees going forward, the rollout is still happening in a staggered manner, starting with US and Western countries, of course. You get some very lame sounding synthetic cosmetic customizations. But what are they really preparing you for? To start paying a monthly fee to Meta to start using AI features. You see, for the broader public, they use free ChatGPT, free Meta AI on WhatsApp and things like that. They haven't really understood the jalwa, the power of AI, the way coders and developers have really experienced with products like ChatGPT Codex or Claude Code or Claude Cowork. And my hypothesis is that, of course, apart from Google and its suite of Gemini products, Meta AI, with its insane user base of WhatsApp and Instagram users, is really going to be the way masses understand the magic of AI tools. And for that, you have to get masses used to paying Meta for using Instagram and WhatsApp. So far, you could pay them for just the verified badge. You get a blue tick and some enhanced customer support apparently. But apart from this, they are also introducing a whole new tier called Meta One subscription, which basically incorporates all their products and services. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, you get the Plus subscription on that. Plus, no cap on AI audio, video, photo generations. You get far more compute. You get faster speed of Meta AI. And of course, as these devices come in and become even more common among us in the post-smartphone era, what am I talking about? Meta AI smart glasses with Ray-Ban, with Oakley, and bunch of other Luxottica brands. You have to start paying for it. Why? Because AI compute is insanely expensive and these brands are spending billions of dollars. It's not going to be given to you for free. Yeah. So, Meta, Instagram, WhatsApp is going to soon stop being free for you. Sure enough, you can use the free version, but engagement is going to be negligible on that.